You know, the bathroom is one of those places we don't think much about until something happens. A small slip, a bit of dizziness, or just feeling cold stepping out of the shower. It's easy to overlook, but the truth is, your bathroom plays a bigger role in your health and comfort than you might imagine. Today, we're talking about turning that everyday space into a place that actually supports your wellness. With simple, smart innovations designed especially for comfort, safety, and peace of mind. Because feeling steady, warm, and relaxed, that's not a luxury. That's part of living well at any age. As we get older, we start to realize how much little details matter, especially in our homes. A wet floor, a low toilet seat, or even poor lighting can make a regular day feel a bit stressful. But here's the good news. Modern bathroom design has changed a lot. Today's innovations aren't just about fancy style or convenience. They're about helping people stay independent, safe, and comfortable in their own homes. From walk-in showers to gentle lighting, heated floors, and even smart mirrors. These small changes can make a big difference for your body and your peace of mind. So in this video, we'll look at practical ways to make your bathroom a place of comfort and health. A space that helps you feel confident every single day. Number 1. Walk-in showers and low-threshold tubs. Let's start with one of the biggest upgrades, walk-in showers and tubs. For many seniors, stepping over a high bathtub wall can feel risky, especially when your balance isn't what it used to be. Walk-in showers solve that. They have low or no thresholds, slip-resistant floors, and easy-to-reach shower heads. Some even come with built-in benches so you can sit comfortably while you wash. A friend of mine, Helen, switched to a walk-in shower last year. She told me, "It's not just safer, it makes my mornings less stressful." That's the kind of change that improves daily life, one simple upgrade at a time. Number 2. Grab bars and handrails. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Grab bars aren't just for hospitals anymore. Modern ones actually look sleek, like part of the decor, but their purpose is life-changing. Installing grab bars near the toilet, shower, or bathtub gives you that extra bit of stability when you need it most. They're inexpensive, easy to install, and one of the most effective ways to prevent falls. Think of it this way. It's not about getting older. It's about giving yourself smart support. Number 3. Non-slip flooring. Let's talk about the floor. It's the quiet culprit behind so many accidents. Regular tiles can get slippery fast, even with a little water. Choosing non-slip flooring, like textured vinyl or rubber tiles, can make a world of difference. They're softer underfoot too, which is great for your knees and back. A client once told me she stopped feeling nervous every time she went to shower. That's what safety should feel like. Invisible, but reassuring. Number 4. Smart toilets and adjustable heights. Here's a modern touch that surprises a lot of people. Smart toilets. No, you don't need to be tech-savvy to enjoy one. These toilets can automatically flush, heat the seat, and even adjust their height. For anyone with arthritis or joint pain, the right seat height makes sitting and standing easier. Some models even have built-in bidets for gentle cleaning, which helps with hygiene and comfort. It's one of those things that once you have it, you wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 5. Lighting that guides and soothes. Lighting might seem minor, but it's a huge factor in bathroom wellness. As we age, our eyes need more light to see clearly. Poor lighting can make it hard to spot wet spots or obstacles. Adding motion sensor night lights or warm LED strips under cabinets can guide you safely during nighttime visits. Soft, warm tones also help your body relax, especially before bed. Imagine stepping into a softly lit bathroom at night without fumbling for switches. That's comfort and safety working together. Number 6. Heated floors and towel warmers. Now let's talk about warmth, literally. Heated bathroom floors are one of those small luxuries that turn cold mornings into cozy ones. Beyond comfort, they help improve circulation, which is great for stiff joints. And towel warmers, they're not just for show. A warm towel helps keep your body temperature steady after a shower, especially important if you have circulation issues or tend to feel chilly. These aren't over-the-top upgrades. They're about small comforts that make you feel cared for every single day. Number 7. Ventilation and air quality. Here's something people rarely think about: bathroom air quality. Poor ventilation can cause mold and mildew, which affect breathing and skin health. Upgrading your exhaust fan or adding a humidity sensor can help keep air fresh and moisture levels balanced. Some modern fans even run quietly in the background, so you never have to think about it. Clean air and a dry bathroom mean fewer allergens, fewer slips, and better overall wellness. So, let's recap. A bathroom designed for wellness includes thoughtful upgrades like walk-in showers, grab bars, non-slip floors, better lighting, smart toilets, cozy warmth, and clean air. Each of these changes adds up to one big benefit: peace of mind. You move with more confidence, you start your mornings comfortably, and you end your days feeling safe and cared for. And that's really what wellness is about. Not fancy gadgets or trends, but small choices that help you live better, longer, and with more joy in the place you call home. If you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to stay connected. Subscribe to the channel. I share simple, science-backed tips to help you stay strong, healthy, and happy at any age. Maybe share this with a friend or family member who's updating their home. Sometimes one small idea can make a big difference in someone's daily comfort. Take care of yourself, and remember, wellness isn't just what you eat or how you exercise. It's also how your home supports the way you live. See you in the next video.